Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 26. Our learning goal for today says, I can count objects to 10 and find hidden 5 groups. What? There's hidden 5 groups in 10? I had no idea. Did you realize that? All right, let's think about the number 10. Let's go ahead and get our counting sticks, as us math people call them. Other people call them fingers. Let's go ahead and hold up our counting sticks and make 0. One by one, let's put up a finger and count all the way to 10. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, so here's our cute little fingers. And let's see, it said that our learning goal was to look for hidden 5 groups. When you look at your 10 fingers, do you see any 5 groups in there? You do? Where? Yeah, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5 group. Wait, you see another 5 group? I didn't even notice. Yeah, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is so cool. So in every 10, there are 2 hidden 5 groups, kind of like each hand. That is so cool. I love the number 10. Let's go ahead with our finger and just draw that number 10 in the air. Here we go. Down, and then a nice loopy circle. Perfect. Okay, so let's look for some hidden 5 groups. I'm going to get out some bracelets and make some fancy jewelry. Let's make 2 of them. All right, so here we go. I'm going to use 2 different colors to make a bracelet, and I will try to do that with each 5 group. So can you help me count? When we get to 5, will you tell me to switch colors, please? Thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. I'll switch colors now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, perfect. Can you see our 5 groups? Perfect. With your finger, can you circle each of the 5 groups? Zoop and zoop. Perfect. I see a 5 group here that are green, and then a 5 group here that is purple. All right, let's make one more bracelet. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'll switch colors. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Do you notice anything about these 2 bracelets? Yeah, it's like I just did them backwards. I did green first here, and I did purple first here. Friends, does it matter which color comes first, green or purple? No, because I'm doing the different colors to show the different parts. And the parts of 10, I can have a group of 5, and then another group of 5. And it doesn't matter what color or the order. A group of 5, and then another group of 5. And that's how you make 10. Man, we are so good at finding hidden 5 groups. Okay, so here we go. What if I had all these gorgeous suns? Go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, our plan is that we need to make enough suns to make 10. So if we have 5, who can tell me how many more suns do we need to draw? Oh yeah, 5. What was I thinking? Because there are 2 hidden 5 groups in 10. All right, you're going to see Miss Arwood's great drawings on this one, and please don't laugh because I'm not the best at drawing suns, but I will try my best. All right, so we had 5, and I need to make another 5 group, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told you they're a little wild. Okay, let's count all the suns together and see if we made 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I did make 10. All right, good. Our learning goal said I can count objects to 10 and 5 and find hidden 5 groups. That's exactly what we did. And you know what? Knowing that there are 2 hidden groups of 5 really helped me to make 10 when I needed to. Okay, this is our exit ticket. As you'll notice, I drew a 5 group of triangles. What I would like you to do is draw the other part to that triangle group to make 10. So I have 5. On your dry erase board, can you draw the rest of the triangles you'll need to make 10? It's okay, brave drawing. They might not be as good as my son's, ha ha ha, but try your best. All right, go ahead, have fun making your 10.